Our PSJ teachers and staff inspire me with their daily actions. The spirit of PSJ is demonstrated through their leadership and continuous support for student learning and achievement. Thank you to everyone. PSJ inspires.
What inspires me at PSJ? You do, the student who is excited about learning and achieving their goals.
Our students look to us for guidance, encouragement, compassion, and strength.
Because they know we believe in them.
What makes it worthwhile is seeing the love and the joy they bring to every teacher, every parent around the school.
Thank you, boys and girls, for inspiring me to have a positive attitude and a grateful heart.
As an educator, it makes me proud to serve the children in our community.
We know that it's been difficult at times and we've had to adjust through many changes. Your constant positive feedback encourages me to continue to serve our PSJ community.
PSJA Independent School District inspires me by allowing me to be my own best self.
I feel truly blessed to be able to do what I am passionate about for our living.
What inspires me at PSJ is that we have a Tri-City community coming together is after one common goal.
To build those partnerships.
To remove barriers and build a stronger bridge of success.
To continue to raise student engagement by focusing on the needs of the whole child.
To be here on a daily basis for them.
To ensure that all of our students get the best quality of education and provide different career opportunities for our students.
We're here to make sure that they graduate, but not just graduate and walk across the stage, but that they're ready for what the real world has in store for them.
PSJA does inspire me to go that extra mile for my students.
It is their daily smiles and energy that allow me to laugh, be silly, and have fun.
Makes the job that much more rewarding.
I am inspired by our great teachers for their creativity, for their love and compassion for the work that they do to assure that our great students are going to be successful.
Being a PSJ graduate, it makes me very proud and it inspires me to see everybody coming together through our exceptional educational programs and by providing great facilities to ensure that our students get the best education possible.
Whether you clean our campus, get our food out to our kids, an instructional aide, a campus administrator, what you do for our students, what you do for our community is beyond measure.
To make sure that our students receive the best education possible.
It really takes our whole community to make our students in our district successful.
Never give up.
Nowhere else but PSJA.
We are PSJ.
PSJ inspires.